Hi everyone, welcome back. I thought it would be fun to revisit the video that I made January 11th. That was the very first video that I did, and that was the beginning of my Flylady journey. I haven't seen it since I made it, and that was about a month and a half ago. I really wanted to kind of take a look at that, talk a little bit about my journey so far. So since the time that I've been doing Flylady, I have found some things that have worked for me and some things that haven't worked for me. And some of the things I am doing every single day is my morning and my evening routine every single day. I don't follow the Flylady system perfectly, but at the same time, there is no perfect. I found that there's some things that I could do better on. I'm working on those. And I really thought this video would be helpful to those who really haven't really started with Flylady, or you're not really sure if it's going to be for you, or is there really going to be that big of a difference? That's why I wanted to make this video. I'm a little bit nervous about watching this video, but like I said, I think it's really going to put it all into perspective and really help you figure out if this is going to be something that's going to be right for you. So I did go and follow the Flylady baby steps. I stopped recording the individual baby steps at I think like 24 or something like that. When we started adding in the 15 minutes of decluttering, I did record those, but I recorded those as individual, let's declutter this, let's declutter that. If it's something that you want to go and see me, maybe we go back through the baby steps that I found helpful, then I could definitely do that for you. Let me know in the comments. Let's go ahead. Let's get right into the video. All right, so here's my living room. That looks the same. I was showing my lighting system. Wow, so I mean, there is a little bit difference. There's Duchess. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. That was my hot spot. And I changed the tables, so that was nice. Oh wow, that was really, really bad. I filmed this, I think it was at night. And there's the dining room table. The dining room table was kind of like our dumping ground, so I got rid of some of those boxes. I still have that box. That's going to be decluttered next. Oh, the kitchen. Well, actually, I mean, oh no, I showed the pantry. Well, the pantry isn't that bad. We're still trying to go and keep a stockpile in there, so that's growing slightly. Oh, look at the counters. The sink is clean. That's good, but oh, I think it looks a lot different now. Let me go ahead and take you through what it looks like now. All right, so this is where the video started before. So let me take you around the living room. I got some new tables, and this is where my computer is just at the moment, because I like to sit here now and read or work on my computer. And just like before, there's Duchess. This is my new little station hotspot area. As you can see, it's not really a hotspot anymore. There's my couch, a lot cleaner. Here's Princess. I did move this desk right here, and this actually goes on top of the fish tank, but we had a little situation with the fish. So this is my dining room now. As you can see, I tried to decorate it a little bit for, I tried to decorate it for a St. Patrick's Day. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but it was a start. I did take care of the two boxes here. I need to throw that away. But I will be going through this box here, and it actually goes into the curio cabinet. And here is my kitchen. So to me, it looks different. I got rid of a lot of the stuff that was on the counters. or I moved it, like I moved this over, and it seemed to free up a lot more counter space for me. These right here, I have some projects on my head, some DIY projects. I just actually cleaned those out. And my sink is still clean. It's a little bit dirty because I just rinsed stuff out in it. At the end of the night, I will go and shine it. This usually isn't here. Again, it's some projects I'm working on, but yeah, I feel like the kitchen's definitely different. All right, and we are moving on. So it looks like I'm staring at my entryway. So the launch pad I had just started. It still looks the same. Well, that bench is a little bit clear, but it's still the same. I didn't have long inside that zone. And now I'm moving on to, oh, the laundry room. I know it was bad. Oh my gosh, my laundry room. Holy cow. Wow, it is so different. Wow. So and I remember that had like a pile there, but it was worse in other places. At least that's what I remember. So let me go and show you the launch pad area, and then I'll show you my laundry room. Here is my entryway. I still have some stuff here I need to get rid of, and that is definitely a go-through kind of thing. Our launch pad is still here. It's still in use. My daughter and my husband, he puts his stuff there. My daughter puts her stuff here. They're not here at the moment, or else it would be there. But let me take you through the laundry room. No more clothes. I have so many empty laundry baskets. I didn't know I had that many. Super, super proud. All right, now for the master bedroom. Oh, yeah, it's different. It is way different. I can't believe I showed this on camera. Oh my gosh, and now I'm in the bathroom. The bathroom looks way different. Oh, I went in the closet too. Okay, yeah, so I still have a lot of stuff that I still need to declutter in my closet because I'm taking it really slow. Even my husband's clothes I decluttered. And I just got done with the clothes there, and I was so embarrassed I didn't even show you. I didn't even show you underneath where there was a bunch of clothes underneath, and underneath that was shoes. So, wow. So let me show you what my bedroom and the bathroom and the closet, what they look like now. Here is the bedroom. I still have some stuff here, but these are clothes that my husband said do not touch. He wants them there. And this is my onesie I get into at night. So I leave it there and I switch them out. I have no idea why that's there because I just cleaned. But as you can see, way different. My bed is made, kind of. There's my body pillow. So all I have here is the throw pillows. And, you know, it seems like a lot of work, and I don't think I'm really going to be putting them on the bed. Maybe every now and then, but it's not going to be something I'm going to do all the time. So until then, they're going to be right there, but all the clothes are gone. Let me take you into the bathroom. All right, so here is the bathroom. It's still kind of messy, but it's definitely way better than it was before. Definitely way better than it was before. And I did take you into my closet, so let me show you that. So I did with my husband, we did go and declutter his shirts because he had so many. So we decluttered those. Here's the middle of it. I still have a lot of work to do on that. And I was able to declutter mine. I know it doesn't look like it, but I did. And down here, which I never actually took you into, you can actually see that, yes, you can actually see clothes now. Oh, wow. So the room that was my daughter's bedroom, we've now taken a lot of that stuff out. It's still a hot mess in there, but I'm getting there. Yeah, I still haven't done anything too much in her room. Here's the office. So the office is still pretty rough. I haven't really touched that one yet. That's next on my list. I know we did declutter a little bit in there though. It's mostly my husband that's in there, so I don't want to touch a lot of his stuff. So let me go ahead and show you what that room with the with my daughter's old bedroom. Let me go and show you what that looks like, and I'll show you the office. All right, so I'm gonna go and take you through what used to be my daughter's bedroom. It is a mess, okay? So yeah, this is kind of, as you can see, it's currently a little dumping ground, but this will definitely be a project that I'm going to go through since it's one of those things that really only I'm going to be using this room. This is one of the last rooms I'm doing. But as you can see, progress, not perfection. That has definitely been my motto. Let me go and show you into the office. So we did go through the office a little bit. It doesn't look like it, but we did. My husband had a lot of stuff in here, and he had a lot of stuff in here. So while it was in a drawer and you couldn't see it, it was still super, super messy. We are starting to pick up some of this stuff, and that's actually from our decluttering. So we're definitely getting there. And the last place I was going to show you, I can't show you this room because it's my teenage daughter's. Let me show you her bathroom. So she did have a bunch of stuff just up there, but as you can see, she kind of has a place for all of that, so it's nice and clean. And I tried to make this feel a little bit more like a hotel. I don't know if it's gonna work. I will be putting some small little things inside that basket. So as you can see, only being maybe a month and a half in, there's going to be some significant changes in your house. I don't feel like I was overworked at all. I don't feel like I really pushed myself. Once you understand the routines that you're building and you're constantly doing those routines and another 15 minutes more just to make sure that you're decluttering, and then I'm starting to go into my zone cleaning, you're going to see major differences in your house. Hopefully this video helped give you a little bit of real motivation. Maybe you want to go and start the Flylady journey yourself. And I really hope you do. If you do, then I'll go and I'll link a card up here if you want, where you can actually see the beginning of my Flylady journey. And soon I'm going to be doing a crash course for you so that you can really understand how it all fits together. And that will be in the video over here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.